Introducing FinalPress V3, our most refined version yet, crafted to deliver the perfect cup of coffee or tea anytime, anywhere, with our patented technology. No paper filters, no capsules. Built entirely from stainless steel with no plastic parts. FinalPress makes brewing simple and enjoyable, at home or on the go. Now let's get your FinalPress ready to brew. Start by unscrewing the yellow top section to extend the plunger. The collapsible design fits perfectly in your bag, so you can take it anywhere. Next, unscrew the filter from the plunger. You'll have two sections, the spring-powered plunger mechanism and our precision-engineered 200-micron fine filter basket. Place around 2 to 3 spoons of fine to medium ground coffee into the filter. Don't overfill. We recommend filling up to this level, leaving enough room for the grounds to bloom. Next, screw the plunger back onto the filter, and you're ready to start brewing. Follow the same process when brewing loose tea leaves with FinalPress. This pre-wetting step is optional. Add a small amount of hot water over the grounds to pre-wet for a cleaner cup with fine grounds or a stronger brew. Once it cools down, screw the plunger back on. Experiment with this method to see if it suits your taste. Now, let's continue with the brewing process. Place your FinalPress into your favorite cup, then slowly fill it with hot water. Hold the plunger from the top and stir gently, about 30 times, allowing the water and coffee to blend evenly and begin the blooming process inside the filter. After that, leave the FinalPress in your cup to steep about 2 minutes for full extraction. Now comes the fun part. Stir about 30 times, then press the plunger multiple times to release the hidden flavors into your cup. Repeat this process if you enjoy a stronger brew. Finally, press the plunger one last time outside the cup to dry the grounds in the filter and enjoy a freshly brewed, delicious cup of coffee. To clean, allow the filter to cool, then unscrew the bottom lid. Hold your FinalPress over the trash bin and press the plunger all the way to push the coffee puck out into the bin. Cleaning FinalPress is quick and easy. Simply rinse the filter and the plunger, and you're ready for another perfect brew. Whether you brew at home or on the go, FinalPress is your perfect companion for a great cup of coffee, anywhere, anytime. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. And don't forget to follow for inspirational brewing videos.